If you want to monitor your child's Android phone, set screen time limits, approve app downloads, or even lock their device remotely, Google Family Links make it really easy. So I'm gonna show you how you can set it up properly. So let's start with the child's phone. So you just have to open up settings, then scroll down, go to Google service, and here from all services, you just have to select parental controls. Now tap let's do this to get started. And then from here, select the Google account on your child's phone that you want to supervise. Family Link only allows one Google account on the device during setup, so you need to sign out all other Google accounts from here if prompted. Now tap next and enter the parent's Gmail address. Make sure it's the same Google account you will use on the parent's phone. Now enter the parent's Gmail password if asked. You will now see information about what parental supervision can and can't do. Review everything, and when you are ready, enter your child's Google account password to verify the account. Now switch over to the parent's phone. Open the Google Play Store, search for Google Family Link, and here you have to install the app. Once it's installed, open it and sign in with the same Gmail account you entered on the child's phone. After signing in, the app will begin linking with your child's device. Now go back to the child's phone and continue the setup. Tap next, then tap allow to enable parental supervision. Then you just have to review remaining setup option and continue until the setup is complete. And now from the parent's phone, I'm gonna show you how you can do other things. So from the screen time tab, you can see which apps you're using the most, set daily screen time limits, schedule bedtime or downtime, even lock your child's phone remotely whenever needed. So this is the actual process how you can set up Google Family Link to observe your child. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix 9 till the end.